why did we do this, and how did we do this. So when we had the book ready, we now thought of that we must be having a brand name, a brand logo, some brand colors, and then the book cover images. That would make the book look like a book created by a renowned author or somebody. So for that, we started with the logo first. So to do the logo, if I search for Nishamo logo, okay, that's the book that we were looking for. Finding the right talent right now. This is a 34-page ebook from table of content, the introduction that we saw, to section 1, identifying your talent needs quickly, conclusion, then the resources being the skill gap matrix, job description template, recruitment timeline planner. Similarly for section 2, conclusions, templates, section 3, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, 5, 6, action plan, conclusion, and then the templates again. So that is how beautifully, and no part of this content, you might have to read the content a lot of times to understand that, okay, if ChatGPT is giving the right thing or not, because you cannot just be blindly copy pasting things. But yes, it does 80% of the job. 20% is cleaning it up and refining it, that you can always be doing it, and you should be doing it actually.